Hi guys, we are students of KL University currently pursuing our BTech first year. We have done our academic project which is wireless display using HC05 module. HC05 module is an easy to use Bluetooth serial port protocol module designed for transparent wireless serial connection setup. Its communication is via serial communication, which makes an easy way to interface with controller or PC. HC05 Bluetooth module provides switching mode between master and slave mode, which means it able to use neither receiving nor transmitting data. Okay, let's get into our project. Let's see what are the components required to build our project. We are gonna share links of components in this description. The components are Arduino UNO board, breadboard, HC05 module, jumper wires, LCD display screen 16x2. So we have got our components. Let's connect them using Tinkercad software.
So let us see what are the ports available in LCD display. We totally have 1 to 16 pins. VSS for ground, VCC for 5 volts, VE for contrast which connects to the ground. RS is register select for digital pin in Arduino board. RW is read or write which connects to the ground. Enable is connected for digital pin. D0 to D7 are digital pins, but we only use 4 pins which are D4 to D7. Last two pins are backlight, cathode and anode. Cathode is connected to 5 volts, anode is connected to ground. For HC05 module, we are totally having 6 pins, out of which we require 4 pins. That is VCC which connects to 5 volts, ground which connects to ground, TX for transmitting the data which connects to the digital pin of Arduino board, RX for receiving the data which connects to the digital pin of Arduino board. We can leave the state and key which are not necessary.
So let us see how to connect LCD display in Tinkercad. We totally have 1 to 16 pins. Before connecting the LCD, we have to solder them with the help of jumper wires or connectors. Now we have to take a breadboard in the Tinkercad software and an Arduino board and an LCD screen which is connected to the breadboard. And we need to connect 5 volts to the positive and ground to the negative. And VSS for the ground, VCC for 5 volts, VE for contrast which connects to the ground with the help of resistor. RS is the resistor select for digital pin 4 of Arduino board. RW is read or write which connects to the ground. Enable is connected for digital pin 5. D0 to D7 are digital pins, but we only use 4 pins which are D4 to D7 connected to 6, 7, 8, 9. Last two pins are backlight, cathode and anode. Anode is connected to 5 volts. Cathode is connected to ground with the help of resistor. But in the real circuit board, we may not require resistor for connecting cathode. As we don't have HC05 module in Tinkercad software, please connect to the 4th pin as said previously. 2 pins of TX and RX for the digital pins of 2 and 3 of Arduino and VCC for 5 volts and ground for ground accordingly. Now let's get into our coding part. Firstly, we have to import two packages. Most probably both these packages will be given in our Arduino app. If not, you can download these libraries from given links in the description. And the two packages are LiquidCrystal, which allows communication with alphanumerical LiquidCrystal displays. And the second one is SoftwareSerial. The SoftwareSerial library allows serial communication on other digital pins of an Arduino board. Using software to replicate the functionality, hence the name software serial, it is possible to have multiple software serial ports with speed up to 1,15,200 bps. A parameter enables inverted signaling for devices which require that protocol. And about serial.begin. The serial.begin sets the baud rate for serial data communication. The baud rate signifies the data rate in bits per second. The default baud rate in Arduino is 9600 bps, that is bits per second.
Okay guys, so let's get into the program. So we have for LiquidCrystal it is for LCD. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the pins which are connected to our Arduino board. Software serial mySerial is nothing but the Bluetooth module HC05 which is connected to the 2 and 3 pins, which is RX and TX. So I have taken a variable and given and initialized with no data string, and I have taken another variable that has old val, which keeps my old value stored, and the new value defaultly will be no data, and I for incrementing the screen, I mean from 0 to 16. So let's go to the setup. Here I am setting my cursor at 0 comma 0, means first row first column, and I am lcd.print is same like printf and scanf. Printf means we gonna print something in onto our screen like in our C languages. So lcd.print wireless notice lcd.setCursor means 0 comma 1, means 0 through first column, and lcd.print board on the second, and we are giving some delay which is nearly 4000, or uh, we can change this accordingly, and we after that we are clearing that and giving another manual and another string manually, that is welcome. While coming to void loop, this is our main program. In the value I am in the value we are gonna use Arduino automation app. We can download it from the Play Store, and we will give the link in the description. So val equals to mySerial.read string. It means the string that we will give from our app will be read by the Bluetooth module in the serial monitor. Here, if value is not equals to old value, that then we are printing the new value. Else we are just repeating the old data. After a for printing the new value, we are always clearing the clear option lcd.clear to clear it. lcd.setCursor, that means I comma 0, in the 0th row we are I mean repeating the data, and we are incrementing it. I is less than or equals to I is greater than or equals to 0, that is I from 0 to 15. If value equals to old value, it keeps on circulating in the same row. The same data will be circulated, else the new data will take position, and we can check that in the serial monitor after connecting to it.